We just tell her down and say make sure she lick me in that.
I'm hungry, man. Now I cook.
You're hungry?
Cook.
I'm pretty much in my head.
You sure you don't want me to call you a cab?
So when you come audit me, backside, my friend! Be curious. What size is Lincoln's?
9 and 3/4.
Hello!
To be exact. Hello? The rest of my assets still, you know. And I have enough time to fall short, you know. But I realize my mistake.
Be careful what you're saying now. I'm mad you get my mad in here.
So who's afraid? You've always been a virago, Brenda. That's not new. What you've managed to conceal for over 10 years of friendship is that you're a man thief.
Brenda, is there any truth to this?
Go back in this and nobody ask me nothing, man. You must be right to leave here.
Don't let my nerdish attitude give you the notion that I'm going to absorb and endorse your disrespectful behavior towards me, Lincoln Adolphus Coxstone.
If I never want to, you see.
And that don't include you.